If tomorrow never comes, would you know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day she's my only one? Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light, lay there in the dark, and the thought crosses my mind: if I never wake in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, would you know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day she's my only one? And if my time on earth were through, she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with the regret that my true feelings for them never will be revealed. So I made a promise to myself, say each day how much she means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance. Tell her how I feel if tomorrow never comes. Wish you know how much I love her. Did I try in every way to show her every day she's my only one? And if my time on earth would prove she must face this world without me, is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last